Oh.
Hi guys and welcome back.
Hi guys. There you are, guys. So 1 second, let me share this here with everyone. I'm with you guys in a second, and then we go directly into the charts as usual. So, and on Twitter also to share this. I hope you have all an amazing Sunday. So there are crazy things unfolding in the chart that everybody should be definitely aware of. Let's see, did it post? Yes, it did post. Great, great. So now let me see here the chat. Make sure that I see the chat. Come on. So just hang in there. Unfolding in the. There we go. Salut. Salut, Jan. I actually don't know if you speak French when you're living in Belgium. Maybe you are on the Flemish side where people are not speaking French. Ja, ich bin wieder in Dubai. Gersh, the Martini guy is one of my friends actually. So I was hanging out with him a lot when I was in London. So now let's have a look here. Why is this here not? Okay. So I think we can get started here. Here already a lot of people in the chat, as I can see. So you're on the stream. Yeah, 76 people. Yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, guys. This will be a little bit shorter than usual here on the live stream because I have to get to a really urgent call for 2 projects that I will be involved. Yeah, so let's directly dive here into the chart. So we know all that we were quite disappointed that Bitcoin could not manage here to break this resistance zone here and then start to go here sideways down, tried again to break here up and then actually failed and fell now lower. So, and that is here on the 4-hourly chart. But regardless, we have here a small bullish divergence, hidden bullish divergence playing out to the upside, obviously. So, but I'm still waiting here for this massive move here to the upside. But the Wykoff chart could give us a hint if we are getting this move or not. So, and like I said, today I don't want to waste here any time. Let me directly get here into the Wykoff chart for you guys. So what we have seen here in the past was that we had here already a Wykoff chart, a Wykoff pattern like here. So, and for those guys that are not familiar with a Wykoff pattern, that is how it looks like. Your Wykoff accumulation scheme. So when you compare this now here to the different phases that I've drawn here in the chart, then you see that this was playing out here to the T. So actually, let me remove, shit. Come on. So there we go. Sorry guys. So now. So here, compare this. So there you see here in phase A, we had here this big move to the downside after this top section here. Then in phase B, we were here wobbling sideways and then up as here. So, and then in phase C, we went then again a little bit down. In phase D, we went up, and phase E was an explosive move to our all-time high. So, and now we could be in another Wykoff pattern, and let me draw this in for you guys. So it is possible that here, that section here, this is our A, our phase A, this whole part here. So let me just make this in another color. Let's make this here. So this could be our phase A. So why can I not make? Okay, there we go. So right now we could be again in phase C. So when you compare this, so here's phase B. So where we go sideways down and then up here again. So you have seen us, see here, sideways or sideways up. So here, see sideways, sideways up. So, and then we go down again. Here in phase C. So, and the only question is here right now, if this is a Wykoff accumulation pattern, where here or even here, so where does phase C stop? So because it can technically still go a little bit lower, it doesn't have to, but it could. So it could go even to $37,000, you know, so it could go here to this floor level, and then we see it coming up here again, and then you see here a similar move like here. So that move could be somewhere here, and then it could move here to the upside in a higher direction. So, and because we are just in phase C, I can tell you the next phase E, where we have here the move to our top section, that will be higher than this one here. If we are really in a Wykoff pattern right now, and we will see this soon, we will see this actually in the next 4 to 5 days, because in the next 4 to 5 days, we have to have either the final downwards move here in phase C, so either a final downwards move or the beginning of the upwards move into phase D. So, and there is no going around in the Wykoff pattern. If that is really the case, then and we are in a Wykoff pattern, we will know in the next 4 to 5 days. So if we're in one, that will be actually amazing, because that means that we will have here all this juicy upwards run just in front of us. So, and I will, once I see that we are now entering in phase D, I will open a massive long position and write this hopefully from like a level like here all the way to the top. So now imagine this would be around the $43,000 level. So, and this goes to, let's say, 75,000. So, and I have catched this. So that will be an amazing trade. Let me go quickly into the chat, guys. I could not read while I was charting here. No, I'm not handing out any money. Sorry, Blank. So then, let's see, what do we have here? No, we don't have to kiss 32K for this. 37 would be enough. So let me see. What else is here? Okay, so let's continue, guys. Let's see. So, yeah, so that's what I'm looking at right now here in the immediate short term. So if we drop here to $37,000, or if we are actually from here already going higher. So once we are breaking $43,000, we will definitely know that we are now entering phase D. here in this pattern. So I also want to have here a look again on the daily chart here on this ascending channel or potential bear flag. So because today is the last day, in my opinion, for the Bitcoin price to actually break back into this channel to continue to trend higher here. So if we are not managing to get today into this channel here to the up and break it to the upside, that will be really bad news for Bitcoin, because then we will see a heavy rejection to the downside by tomorrow. So, and also actually when I'm looking at this, so if the candle stays the way it is here, then we have a tweezer bottom pattern. So that is a bottoming indication. So, and that would then obviously by tomorrow move here to the upside. If this green candle that we have right now here for the daily chart closes the way it is, then we have here a bullish reversal pattern to the upside. Sorry, Blank. I did not know that you are 14. Yeah, so I understand, but sorry. Yeah, I don't do handouts. You can take part in the giveaways that I do from time to time, and maybe you get there lucky and win then some money. And this is usually more than just $100. So yeah. So, but yeah. So by in the next, so that's you see here now why the next couple of days are so important for Bitcoin here, to show us in which direction we are heading, because obviously I don't like shorting. So, but yeah, maybe I should get used to the thought that I maybe should short in case Bitcoin turns here around and gets here one more time rejected from this upward sloping support line. So let's also have a look here. So no, I want a lower time frame real quick before I get into some altcoins. Let's use this one here, and then I use this here as my 15 minutes chart. So let's also see on the lower time frames what's actually happening right now. If there is a trade that we could take advantage of, if we find here something interesting. Yeah, so here, let's see here. Oh, actually, yes. So if the Bitcoin price can manage, to break above $39,800 and the moving averages stay the way they are, so where we get now here a bullish crossover from the 50 over the 200, then above $39,800 would for me be a good level to open a long position, because this trend, this bullish crossover can last for quite a while. So, and you can make easily with 10-25x leverage 50 to 80% on on a solid bullish crossover here on the 15 minutes. So obviously it would be a really quick trade. It would not be like a swing trade from this point, you know. So, but a quick 50-80% is something where that I don't say no to. So, and guys, don't forget, you can still get $4,060 on BYBIT if you use the link in the description of this live stream, and on Phemex also $4,100 are still available with the links in the description, guys, if you're an experienced trader. Obviously, we want to make sure that we are staying here profitable. Don't rush into any trades and try to play Russian roulette with your money. That's not the point here. So guys, let me know in the chat what coins you want to see. I will have time for like 3-4 coins to go through before I have to wrap it up. Oh, I actually have to tell my guy. One second. Shit, he did not know. Where is he? So yeah, let me know in the chat what coins you would like to see. Tarkov, if you don't know a lot about trading, maximum 10x leverage on Bitcoin. Don't over leverage on altcoins. So GMT, yeah, come on guys, give me here quick some coins that you would like to see. So in the meantime, I think, yeah, so I will also go quick over Ethereum. Yeah, so Ethereum is still respecting this downward sloping support line as support, which is good. And this here starts also to look for me like a bottoming candle. Obviously, it also has to stay the way it is right now to close like this. Otherwise, yeah, we will also most likely see a retest of the support line if this kind of here flips red and Bitcoin decides to take a dump. But yeah, don't forget that this is looking like a bump and run pattern, in my opinion. So if you draw this like this, then you have here your lead-in phase, you have here the bump, then you have here the breakout, and here the retest of the neckline. And once you get the retest, you get the upper run to the upside. So that is definitely something that I'm also looking at right now. So here I'm just waiting for Ethereum to break above $3,400. That will confirm that we are entering the upper run. Obviously, we need to close 4-hourly candles and at least a daily candle above this level also to confirm this upper run. And that will be then also the point where I will then enter a long position for Ethereum to the upside, because the target could be beyond $5,000 for this bump and run pattern. So, the technical target is $4,400, but I think if we go here then over in direction of $4,400, we could touch $5,000 and a little bit beyond that. So let me see here what you guys are requesting. So here somebody with AVAX, SLP, Cake, OMG Rune. Let's see. Let's see. Guys, that doesn't help if you write 1,000 times the coin that you want to see. I want to see other people that combined the same coin to see, you know? So it doesn't help if you spam the chat to make it look like that it's like a lot of people requesting that coin. I want to see multiple people that want to see the same coin. So let me see. So I will do GMT because obviously that is right now a really, really hyped up coin. So let me get here GMT. So, and I'm also invested in GMT. That's why I do quick GMT. So here I've seen something, I think it was on the 4-hourly chart earlier, where I was charting. Let me have a look. Do I have it still open here? Yes, there I have it open. No, I was on the 1-hourly chart. So here on the 1-hourly chart, actually I was here a little bit stupid. I wanted to take the trade and I did not take my own trade. So let me show you what happened here. So now it's actually too late to get into this trade. So here was an ascending triangle. So here you see the technical target for this. It's at $3.55 is the technical target. So we went halfway already up. So this, I would not enter this right now. The only moment where I would think about to re-enter this is if we come here back down to the neckline to $3.26, but we see that the price is bouncing back up only in that moment. So when we're around then again at $3.30, $3.31, that would be the moment where I would then jump into this trade, but not before. So what I mean by this is another 1 hourly candle coming back down, touching the neckline, the next 1 hourly candle bouncing back up, going above $3.30, 31 in that case, and only then I would enter at that given moment. So here like an N. So I would like to see from here like an N shape. So and then I would enter this, not before, because we have already broken the neckline. So but there's also, let me see here. So also here you could make the case that that was a falling wedge. So but then we broke out sideways. So and in that case the technical target would be then here at $3.85. So if now GMT would create a new hourly candle and continue to trade here higher, then I would potentially enter a trade at $3.40. That would be then the entry level, because there is some resistance. So if we break above this, then you can trade this all the way up to the technical target of this falling wedge to $3.85. $3.85. I have no idea about Telcoin. So I can do also Theta. So I have here another 10 minutes, guys. And before I go, I will show you something absolutely crazy that I was preparing the last couple of days. I was really busy because I talk right now to a lot of projects that I will also obviously bring to you guys. So because I took some advisor roles, 100% transparency here. So I took some advisor roles, and the projects that I'm involved with right now, they will do really well, especially one. There's one really unique project that I'm really proud of, that I'm a part of it. And once I get to it next week, I will also then in the coming weeks talk about this and bring this to you guys. So here on Theta, so I'm actually in Theta right now. So and Theta is here in this massive falling wedge. So but did not come here for quite a while to the upside of this falling wedge here. So we have here also smaller patterns within this falling wedge. So we have potentially here a triple bottom pattern. So we have here one, here two. So that would have been normally a W pattern that has here a failed breakout. So, but potentially we have here then the third, the third higher low to complete this triple bottom, and then we go to the upside. So that is also definitely something that I'm looking at. So and I believe, so from where I bought, so I bought here at $3, I think 40 or 45, something like this. In this kind of region, I believe that we can go here easily 50% to the upside. So and there I have also my take profit. So I have my take profit around $5.30, $5.35 ish in that kind of region. So and Theta can run up really quick. We only need to remember here last year, when we had here this crazy bull run to the upside, where Theta went all the way to almost $16. So in my opinion, Theta is right now highly undervalued and is an amazing buy right now. So this is an amazing buy opportunity for the long term to get into Theta. So not with, I would not trade this with leverage. I have bought on spot for the midterm to make a quick 50% in the next coming weeks, and then reassess if we are going higher here. So let me also have here look at stochastic RSI. Yeah, so on stochastic RSI we could actually see a little bit more downwards movement. So and in that case we might come down and touch this downwards sloping support line. So which would be another 20% to the downside, and then we would come up here and then potentially break through something like this. So that can go here well into May, which is not a problem for me. So I can wait 3, 4, 5 weeks to make here 50% on this move, because I have a quite large position that I bought for Theta. So let me see what else, guys. Okay. So there's somebody else wanted sand, so I will then also go quick into sand. Sand was also one that I was looking at to buy. Oh, it actually looks similar to Theta. Let me get here into a lower time frame. We see here something. So here could be also falling wedge. Potentially. No, that is a downwards trending channel. So for a bull flag, that is already too far advanced here. So the flag cannot be longer than the pole. So, but that looks also like it would break out soon. Let me get here some indicators. So let's see. Yeah. So sand is a definitely amazing buy right now. Here the MACD is getting ready to give us a buy signal. So I would wait here today's candle close, and then maybe potentially even wait for tomorrow's candle close before I would enter this. So, and if I would enter this, I would enter this at $2 and $2.80 would be an entry point where I would get in, not before $2.80. So, but when we're looking on the higher time frames, I obviously also want to check what's going on there. There we can see that we have a clear resistance line that sand has to break. So that we can go here way higher. So yeah, like this. So here you see that is kind of the resistance line that sand has to break to get here into a new uptrend. So, and that is at $3.21. So that downwards trending channel here where sand could potentially break out on the 4-hourly chart could be potentially only go all the way up here to this resistance line and then face a potential rejection to the downside. And then we have to see what's actually going to happen if sand can manage to break here through, if there is enough volume, or if sand gets rejected and goes here then all the way down to the next support level at $2.28. So let me have a look here in the chat what you guys want again. So let me see. Mr. Groot, I'm 34. So in 3 weeks I will be 35. So guys, we are already coming here to an end of the live stream. Wow, 137 people, amazing. That's many people are here. Jasmine is actually a coin that I'm looking into right now. About Casta, Mr. Groot, I was actually earlier this afternoon with both Carls, with Carl, the CEO of Casta, and the Moon Carl. So, and I can tell you that staking is really close. Really close. So staking will be soon available. I don't know if I can tell you on which exchange staking will be first available. So because I know where it will be, but I'm not sure if I'm allowed to say it. So just wait. It's really around the corner. So it's less than I will not say days, but less than a month away, the staking. So, and also the app will be available really soon for everybody. So I know that both cards are really powering at the office every day to push the app as soon as they can out to everyone. Like I said, I cannot tell you on which platform staking will be available first. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to say, so you have to wait, but it is really soon. really, really soon. So, and guys, for everybody that was here now all the time with me, I want to share something with you. Because I know that some of you guys living in countries where you struggle a little bit with money. So, and I came up with something where you can actually make money with me together. So, and if you want to work with me, so let me just have here, then you should join me next week, Friday. So it will be next week, Friday. So this is just the draft of it. So I will post this on Discord, on Twitter, on Facebook, on all my social media channels. I will post this post with the right Zoom ID and with the password. So definitely watch out for this when I'm posting this. So it will be next Friday at 4 p.m. Dubai time. So, and I will be there on a private Zoom call where you really need the link to join and the password. So, and I will be there for an hour and you can interact there with me. Not only via the chat, you can turn on your webcam and directly talk to me and ask me questions so we can talk about mindset. I will give you a market update about specific coins, and I will actually look at a couple of coins that that will make profit in the next coming days. Oh shit, I think you cannot see what I'm seeing. Give me here a second to fix this. So here, window, so no, that's not what we wanted. Yes, so 1 second, guys. I know you cannot see it, so that's why I try to fix it right now. Give me here a second. Ah, that is better. No. So here I can post this here. 1 second. Where can I? Ah, there. Here I can edit this. So just give me a second, guys. There you go. So here I was talking about this. Now let me know. Make this smaller. That was I was talking. So I was talking about this event, guys. So that is happening next Friday. Like I said. So definitely watch out for this on all my social media platforms when I'm posting this flyer. Approximately tomorrow I will post this. I will not be able to do it today, but I will post it tomorrow on all my social media channels with the right Zoom ID, with the password, with the date on it. And yeah, like I said, there you will be able directly to talk to me with your microphone. I will obviously not allow you to be on the mic all the time, because then this will get out of hands, you know. So, and we will be talking there for hours, so I have to keep it short and simple for an hour. Actually, share this with as many people as you can. There are only around 500 slots available. I think that will fill up quite fast, so you should definitely register as soon as you can. So I will share the link for signing up for this event tomorrow. So, and this is obviously for free, you know. So I will also go through a new portfolio that I've put together, and that will be obviously then also be covered with some TA on that Zoom call. So, and like I said, I will show you how you can build a business with me together. Yeah, guys, that's it for today. Why can I not delete this? So here. I have to wrap it up. I have to get on the call here quite soon that I have to attend to. If you want to make here money in the meantime with me, guys, then don't forget you can still sign up to the Telegram channel that I have. Let me show you guys. So we are making the everyday amazing gains. So it should be here. Yeah, so there you go. So here, there is the link to my staff that is taking care of everything in relation to the Telegram channel for my paid signals. So, and you can obviously also join the free signals channel there. We are talking in general about TA, some crypto news, and exchanging ideas. So yeah, there you can also definitely take advantage of. Guys, thank you so much for being here on the stream. I hope you enjoyed the stream, and